Hey there! Want to stay on top of important messages on WhatsApp? In today's video, I'll show you how to set a unique notification sound for a specific contact on WhatsApp for PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, open WhatsApp on your computer. Next, click on the person whose notification sound you want to change. Then, click on the profile picture from the top bar. After that, scroll down a little and you'll find the notification tone option. Now, to set a custom tone, click this box and select whichever tone you like. You can hit this play button to hear the tone. Unfortunately, WhatsApp PC app doesn't let you use any third-party tone. So guys, that's how you set a unique notification tone for a specific contact in WhatsApp on your PC. If you liked what you saw, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!